You are looking at the number 63 Murray mud mower for a special reason, because I'm going to surrender this machine with the brand new 17.5 Briggs & Stratton Intech engine. I'm going to surrender this machine to the crash test dummy himself, Tyler, my helper down the road. He's going to be here in a little bit. One thing he won't get out of this deal, it's not even a deal, it's robbery. He's getting it for free. I'm just giving it to him. Some people might be mad, but one thing I'm going to do is keep my seat. That will go on the FF20. Either that or the HydroTrack 12. Either one. So I'm just waiting for Tyler now. I'm going to take off my seat, and he'll be here shortly. That's right. I gotta be honest. I got too many machines, and I need to make some room. I want to be able to take care of stuff that I have. Number 63 Murray mud mower has been the flagship mower of my YouTube channel since the beginning, really. But I have lost a lot of interest in riding it, sadly, because I got bigger and, sadly to say, better things. And I'm happy to give it off to someone that can really appreciate it. Tyler has got some where he lives, there's property, there's trails. You're going to see the number 63 Murray mud mower again. He said he was not going to change the name. He will not change the name, I should say. He said he won't change the name. It's always going to be the number 63 Murray mud mower. So let's get ready for Ty to come pick it up. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. The crash test dummy is here.
Still alive.
Watch this. You did this before. Can you get that up there? I'm just a rotten bastard for not helping him, but
I just got to get that front tire on, and it's all good.
Get it up there. Yeah, I'll miss it, but
It ain't going far.
I got too much stuff. Meanwhile, we go in the backyard. No, Ty, you can't have that one.